So some of the questions we get asked as to why we would choose a certain pump over another style of pump for a mining application. So some of the things we're going to look for are the flow rates. So we have here our Slurry Pro centrifugal pump. These are going to put out much higher flow rates than something like our peristaltic pump. When we're looking at things like tailings transfers, we want to move the product as fast as we possibly can. So a centrifugal pump is absolutely perfect for that role. Another thing for the centrifugal is we can do solids, a much larger, more intense, hard-wearing solid that we can't do with something like a peristaltic pump. With the setup here, the liners, the impellers, all the parts can be removed and refurbished or replaced on site. So that makes these pumps perfect for high flows and very aggressive and large solids. Whereas if we come over here, we have our peristaltic pump. So this is perfect for things such as very thick fluids, like a thickener underflow pump, where we don't want to have processed fluid into the process, which we're going to need to get rid of anyway. So we can take this up to about 65–70% solids, pump it into the process really thick, and then make our process a lot more efficient. So thick products with not a high flow rate, thinner products with a really high flow rate. The other benefit here is we can handle much more aggressive products such as chemicals, acids, polymers, or also very small flow rates where we need to be very accurate. So that's where a peristaltic would come in over a centrifugal pump. The other factor we're going to look at is maintainability. If we look here at the slurry pump, we've got all these different parts that need to be maintained, which is perfectly fine to do on site, but it takes a fair bit of time and energy. Might need to go back to a warehouse. So the maintenance on these is great, but when we look at a peristaltic, it's just a matter of pushing a hose in and out, which can be done on site. You don't need to pull the pump apart or take the pump away to do it. So maintainability is another factor we look for when choosing the pump we want to use for in any different mine site application. So if you're still confused or have any questions about your mining applications, don't hesitate to give Global Pumps a call. We're happy to have a chat. Come to site and sort yours out.